In this video, you'll learn how to buy Bitcoin on OKX using a web browser on your PC. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the platform and complete your purchase of Bitcoin. Begin by opening your web browser and navigate into OKX.com once the website loads. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on this button to access the login screen. Enter your account credentials in the appropriate fields. After you've inputted your username and password, click the login button. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen prompts to complete this process. Once logged in, you should see your account dashboard. Next, hover your mouse over the Buy Crypto option in the top navigation menu. A drop-down will appear, revealing several options. Click on P2P Trading to proceed to the peer-to-peer trading interface. Once the P2P trading page loads, switch to the Buy tab to focus on purchasing Bitcoin. You will see various options for buying cryptocurrencies. In the Coin drop-down menu, select BTC to specify that you want to buy Bitcoin. Then, in the Fiat drop-down, choose your local currency to determine the payment currency for your transaction. After selecting your currency, proceed to choose your preferred payment method from the available options. It is crucial to select a method that suits your preferences and is supported by the seller. Once your payment method is selected, a list of sellers will appear below. Review the list of sellers carefully, paying attention to their completion rates and transaction limits. This information helps you choose a reliable seller. Click on your chosen seller's name to initiate the transaction. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase in the designated field. Then click the Buy BTC button to proceed. After clicking the button, you will be prompted to confirm your transaction details. Carefully review the information as it is essential for a successful purchase. Once confirmed, follow the instructions to pay the seller using your selected payment method. Ensure that you complete the payment promptly. After the seller confirms receipt of your payment, the Bitcoin will be released to your OKX wallet. You will receive a notification once the transaction is complete, and you can check your wallet balance to verify that the Bitcoin has been credited. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.